Hey guys, today's tutorial is an impromptu one. I filmed this a month and a half ago and just never got around to uploading it. My skin was super dry and I wasn't going to film, but I decided I would do it anyway. So I hope you enjoy it and I'll be back to my studio next week. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming outside of the studio. Whenever I film in my living room, I always want to do something a little bit more simplistic. I just feel like it's kind of a bit more of a relaxed vibe. So I try and do more of a relaxed, easy makeup look. So that's what I'm going to do today. So I've done my skincare regime this morning and I've got my SPF on. If you guys want to prime at this point, you are more than welcome to. I'm not going to today. I'm not going anywhere. If I was going out for the day and I wanted this to last all day long, I would apply my Morid Oil and Pore Control Mattifier. I'm going to use this foundation by IL Makiage. This is the I Woke Up Like This foundation. This is kind of like a natural matte finish. So I really like this foundation. If you take their quiz and you don't get the right shade or you don't like the foundation, you can just return it. You can't really go wrong, can you? Because if you don't like it, you've not wasted anything. It is a medium buildable coverage and it is suitable for all skin types. So this foundation is cruelty free. There are 50 shades available, which is brilliant. There isn't the option at the moment for a luminous finish, which I think would be a really nice option because not everybody wants that natural matte. For me, being oily, I think it's great. It's not a drying matte, which I really like. However, I did say I've got a little bit of dry skin just underneath this eye. I think my actives must have migrated. This is enriched with vitamin E. It's also got hyaluronic acid, and as I said, it is cruelty free. So I really like the foundation. It's super silky. So starting with Hoola Lite, I'm going to pop this into the hollows of the cheeks where we would contour. I've probably had Hoola in my kit, it's got to be 17 years. It's definitely around that age, if not older. That's when I started makeup and I've definitely had it. I've got to have had it since then. But do you still use it? Is it one of those ones that you will always go back to? You can't really go wrong with Hoola. It's a good colour. They also have Toasted and a couple of other shades which were great for slightly deeper skin tones. So whether you're a bit more kind of caramel and deeper, they've got shades available to suit all. Going into my Hoola Lite with a fluffy blending brush, I'm going to pop that through the socket of the eye. It's just going to add a very soft contour again because we're just going for a soft day look. This is a nice way just to warm up the socket but keeping it really subtle. I've got this loose pigment by Peaches Makeup and this is called She's All That. This is the pot. I'm going to try and open it without spilling it everywhere. I don't know if you can see. It's kind of goldy pink. It kind of reminds me of Melon Pigment by MAC, but a bit more pinky. So I'm just going to pop this on with my ring finger and press that just on the mobile lid for a kind of daytime subtle glam. Nice thing is with pigments, if you use your finger just to press it on, it doesn't go everywhere. We haven't set the foundation in place on the eyelid, so it's got something to stick to. I remember going through a phase of using the Melon Pigment by MAC. So lovely. I have this really cute little MyKitCo pencil sharpener, and you just pop your pencil in and all the shavings stay on the inside. And using the coffee pencil, I'm going to run that along the top lash line really quickly. Again, this is a really easy day look, so don't spend too much time doing it. And then use your finger to soften it. And it's going to make the lash line look a little bit fuller. You can also wing it out a little bit if that suits your eye shape. And then just soften it with your finger again or a small blending brush. I'm going for quickness and ease today, so I'm just using my finger. I'm also going to smudge a little bit of this through the root of my lower eyelashes, not so it looks like a liner, but so that the actual root is a little bit darker. So pop your lower lash line down and very softly just pop this at the root using a really light hand. So it just makes your eye look a little bit more feminine and a bit more sultry, but without being like you're wearing eyeliner and without having to have that smudgy look throughout the day, if you find that you get that when you wear eyeliner. I'm going to blink onto this. You can feel when you blink onto it, if you're taking it too far inwards towards the actual eye itself, try and keep it really at the root, and then that way it's less likely to print down and create a dark liner. The mascara I'm going to use is this one by Lancome. I really love the wand of this. It's got over 250 different bristles and it really does get to the root of your eyelashes. Because it's slightly curved, it hugs your eye, enables you to get right to the root all the way along without having to rotate your brush too much. And as you can see, it really does make quite a difference. Going into another Benefit product, I'm going to use this one by Benefit. This is a blush and highlighter in one. This is the Georgia blush, and it actually smells like peaches. It's so pretty. I like this one because, as I said, it is a highlighter and blush in one, so you get a beautiful sheen with it. Looks lovely in the summer when you've got a tan because this has a bit of a peachy gold finish. In the winter it's a nice way to kind of warm up your skin, because it's not super high in pigment and it is a bit more of a neutral finish. It kind of looks a bit more like your bronzy rather than like a flush of colour. On my lips I'm going to add a little bit of this Go Lightly lipstick by Lisa Eldridge. So you can really have quite a lot of colour if you want, but I like to work it in with my finger. I like just a very subtle flush of colour to the lips. And then over that, just to give it a bit more of that balmy texture, I'm going in with this lip balm by Laura Mercier. This is one I always keep in my bag. Super hydrating, really easy to apply, and because it's clear, you haven't even got to use a mirror to apply it. So that completes today's easy, quick and simple makeup tutorial downstairs in my living room. Really simple, a nice relaxed vibe with a nice relaxed makeup look. I hope you've enjoyed it. This is perfect for those of you that love simplicity. As always guys, thank you so much for watching. I will list and link all the products I've used in the description bar. Come follow me outside of YouTube over on my social handles, which will be on screen for you now, and I will see you next week. Bye!